Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome back to today's video. We have all diligently and religiously mined the W coin, hoping that this project will be launched today, being the 25th day of January 2025. Unfortunately, we woke up early this morning to discover that the project team made a tweet telling us that this project is no longer going to be launched today. Now, this has brought a lot of reactions, negative reactions amongst the community members. Now, projects that tells the community when they are going to do a particular thing, and on that very day, they come up with news like this. In the past, most of these projects, not all of them, are projects that are not going to do well. The community members feel so disappointed because this is the day many of the community members have been waiting for. Personally, I felt disappointed because I never expected that the W coin will come up with this message today. No wonder when they brought their white paper, in that white paper, the content was just a tissue paper, a toilet roll paper that has 3 divisions in it. And I wonder what kind of project will come up with such kind of white paper. And even when they released that white paper, it brought a lot of reactions amongst the community members. It was even from there that many of the community members begin to say that this project team, they do not know what they are doing. Let us take a look at the message which they sent to us today. Now, on the tweet which they made, they said, W coin NFT pre-market is coming. Now, before going to this, let's first talk about the listing date, which they postponed to. They said here that to secure the best conditions for W airdrop, the listing date has been adjusted to 25th February. This extra time will allow us to make the launch even stronger, brighter, and more successful. So it means that the listing date now will be on the 25th of February. That is 1 month exactly from today. So ladies and gentlemen, let us just be optimistic. Let us wait. Even though we know that they may likely even postpone it, nobody knows. Even if they postpone it, do not place all your hope, all your trust in a particular project. I keep on saying this in most of my videos. You don't need to put your hope on any of the projects, so that if maybe they did not meet up with what you expected from them, you don't have to be bothered at all. Some persons do suffer emotional challenge, emotional problem, because they have emotionally attached themselves to some of these projects, especially the Telegram projects. Okay, so let us just be optimistic and wait for them. They went further to say that we know delays can be frustrating, and we truly appreciate your patience. Bureaucracy takes time, but we are committed to doing it right, not just like everyone else. Stay active together. We are making history. Well, they of course know that this kind of message, this kind of tweet is really frustrating for a particular project. Okay, it's really frustrating. Now, let us look and see what the community members have to say. Now, the first person here, Sagra, says, scam project W coin. Yes, this person is already calling it a scam project because they are not fulfilling what they have promised. And this is very bad for a project team. This is all for just to give dust. Well, let's wait to see if they are going to give us dust or USDT. Now, Ali Omar says scam project. Okay, SNBC says scam project. And this person said, TapSwap and you are in the team. Of course, you know TapSwap, they will keep on postponing, telling members they will launch today. Tomorrow they will say they have postponed it. And that is how they have kept floating around the space. And up to today, they have not listed. Now, this is what YouCrypto have to tell them. He says, delay is not good for any project. I hope you know that. And this is very correct. Delay is very bad for a particular project, especially when you have kept the community on suspense. Okay, if the community is expecting something from you, maybe probably because of an announcement you made, and on that day you disappoint them. It is very, very bad for a project. I hope you know that. And on top of that, 1 month not accepted. Crypto is telling them that this is not accepted, and so many other reactions. If you read through, you see the reactions from different persons, that is from the community members. Now let's talk about the WCoin NFT pre-market news. Now, when I saw this post, I was able to find out, it may not be true, but I was able to conclude that this project, they are lacking fund. Yes, they are lacking fund. Sorry for this distraction. They are lacking fund. And from this NFT pre-market that they are going to launch, what it means is that it is a strategy for them to draw funds into their ecosystem. Probably the funds that they have, or they expected to have before today, being 25, which they wanted to have listed, was not enough for them. Maybe they are still searching to see how they can make arrangements for liquidity, which I believe they do not have up to now, because if they have liquidity, maybe I think they would have launched today. So they are going to launch their NFT pre-market, and they said, mate, the WCoin ecosystem is moving forward. We are excited to launch the WCoin vouchers pre-market in a few days. Exchange WCoin for vouchers, trade vouchers on getgems.io, convert your vouchers into WCoin at the TGE for those who are interested. Because I think with this news that they told us, or this news they come up with this morning, I don't think that many people will participate in this, because it has already given this team a question mark. Okay, so if you want to participate, you can go to the site. This is getgems.io site on the screen here. You can go to their Twitter page and maybe get the link and you participate. That is if you want. Okay, and also note that they say that you can convert your vouchers into WCoin during the token generation event. So if you're interested in this, you can participate. I got a very funny comment from one of my community member in the last video that I posted about the WCoin, and this person is Chimela. He or she is Chimela. He said the project team is confused. In fact, no hope. I quit. I quit. And this is how some persons will just dump this project. Okay, because it is very, very, very annoying when you expect something from a project team and at the end of the day, they disappoint. This listing, they were the one that made the announcement that the listing was going to hold. Why on earth did they not list just as they have promised? It's just like promise and fail. And you can imagine, this is a team that has they have over 8 million active users. I'm not talking of their Telegram subscribers. I'm talking of those that are using the bot, the active miners, over 8 million. Let's say out of the 8 million, let's say 1 million are not active. Yes, let's say they are not active. So they have disappointed 7 million persons. You can just imagine that. This will definitely affect their project. The next project that we shall talk about is the TIMEFARM. Of course, I know you are still mining your TIMEFARM. Now, they say that their token generation event is coming Q1 2025. Their token generation event will take place at the first quarter. We are still at the first quarter, and precisely it will be on March 2025. But from what they said here, they have not given us an exact date, that is the exact day on that March that they are going to list. But let's just also be optimistic. Let us patiently wait and see how they are going to launch. So we should expect their launch to be on March 2025. Then it says, what else? Reducing token supply. They have devised a strategy to reduce their token total supply. First, it says that the referral bonus has been adjusted to 10% for direct referrals only to limit total supply. So whatever you have been getting before from your direct referral, it has been adjusted to just 10%. So you just be getting 10%. It went further to say that tokens from users violating terms of service are banned. If there is any of their terms and conditions that you are violating, definitely whatever that you have accumulated so far, whatever you have farmed, it will be burnt. And that is what they are saying here. They are going to burn it. So it's better you work in line with their community guideline, their terms of service. Then it says more burning initiatives on the way. They are still trying to devise more strategies that will help to reduce or to burn their token. Of course, you know that burning of tokens are very, very essential to a particular project because it reduces the supply of that project, thereby affecting positively the price of the token or the coin. Now it says updating the farming model, aiming for a profitable and fun experience post TGE and so on and so forth. Now it says that if you want to continue earning, there are things that you need to do, which already I know that you know those things before now, which is completing some tasks in the mining bot. There are some tasks that are outlined there. You go there, you join the community that are therein. Once you join, maybe you'll be given 100, I think it's 100,000 seconds that they will give you. You watch some videos, YouTube videos, you follow some Telegram or Twitter handles. And once you do this, once you complete this task, it doesn't cost anything. Once you complete this task, you'll be accumulating seconds. Okay, you'll be accumulating seconds, and this will give you the chance of getting more. So we have about 2 months left. So within this 2 months interval, you can accumulate as much second as you can within the limited time. So ladies and gentlemen, let us all be positive minded. Let us be optimistic and wait for the TIMEFARM and the W coin. The TIMEFARM says on March and the W coin says on 25th of February 2025. So let's just wait for them. So guys, this is what I wish to share with you in this video. If this is the first time of coming across this channel, this is Dobis Crypto Series channel. This is a platform where we share knowledge about cryptocurrency. We share different crypto mining projects. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel if that is what you are interested in. Turn on the notification bell so that once we drop updates like this, you get notified. Please, if you have any comments regarding these two projects, TIMEFARM and WCoin, please do well to drop your comment in the comment section below. If there is any video you want me to create to drop in this channel, please you do well to also drop it in the comment section and I will attend to those. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I hope to see you in my next video.